Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed higher, lifted by shares in healthcare, equipment and services, pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, and software and services sectors. The Federal Reserve holding interest rates at 2.25% to 2.5% unchanged, though stating that uncertainties on the outlook have increased and will act as appropriate. Also, the central bank's economic projections showed that there were 8 out of 17 members forecasting lower rates by the end of 2019. This all as 67% of SP500 constituents traded higher yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Oracle unveiling fourth quarter EPS of $1.16 versus 86 cents a year ago on adjusted revenue of $11.4 billion. Turning overseas, Asian markets higher today. The Nikkei up 0.6%, the Hang Seng up 1.25%. China CSI 300 rising more than 3%. South Korea's Kospi up 0.31%. European markets gaining ground and U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Darden Restaurants, Red Hat, as well as Kroger. While on the economic dock at 8:30 in the morning, we have the June Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index, initial and continuing jobless claims figures as well. Taking a look at the markets, the SP 500 that sees further advance, and that's in focus as the relative strength index advocates for further advance. Long positions above 29.34 are favored with targets at 29.65 and 29.75 in extension. The Nasdaq meanwhile sees further upside while the Dow Jones sees further upside.